this what you really want? Huh?
Turn me up, Ali.
I know your image of me is what I hope to be.
Black lip, bastard, pass me your password so I can hack inside your brain. See, I too have gone insane. Before I fall, I'm sure to curse you all in Jesus' name. Lead shower and a pebble hour, bitch stand the rain.
What you really want?
Let me get it back, Ali.
When we do interviews, don't ask me about no movie,
Yeah, I'm good.
no cruise, no posse, no clips. If it ain't about TDE, I wanna hear this shit, bitch.
Look inside my parking garage and see a collage of every person I despise since the moment I turned 5. Calculate my steps and strategically took my time. Even falling off, I land on the ass of Nicki Minaj. Eat that pink pussy like it's Friday. Bust one, Roman reload, then smoke the Sade. And somebody tell Rihanna too, I need that vagina too. Don't fucking take me for some kind of fool. I'm kinda the reminder of knowing Compton ain't kinda cool. Good kid, Mad City, mountaintops couldn't see my views. Countertops we hop over, hit the register, then we move. I hope this shit can register on a regular soon before I climb this pedestal and make you catch my fucking stool. K-Dot, leave you grieving on evening news. Even when society break even, I'll break rules.
I told niggas, caught wreck, then I told niggas. Fold niggas like clothes in droves, nigga. Homie chose to go toe to toe, I had to break his leg. Like a cliche to rock a show, is that over your head? Niggas stretching the truth like they choose to do yoga instead. Either that or they depressed, eating yogurt in bed. Solar system, grab a space shuttle and stay subtle. The bad spit the bait, I'm straight, you a gay couple. I ain't thirsty for the deal, way to make them pay double. I'm anxious when the bacon on the table, I need a muscle. You're basic like cable to a satellite dish. You was running LA, now you out of there like fish. What can I say? I'm a bastard with black lips, black shirt, black shades, long black dick. I'm awkward dog, I'm trying to bargain shop at Saks Fifth. Swung 2 axes and knocked the earth off axes ass. So